Fun DIY date night ideas at home, creative ways to strengthen your bond. When life gets busy, it's easy to let romance slip through the cracks. But who says you need to leave home to create magical moments with your partner? Planning a fun date night at home is a fantastic way to reconnect, save money, and unleash your creativity. Whether you're avoiding the crowd or simply seeking a more personal experience, these DIY ideas will bring excitement, laughter, and intimacy to your evenings. 1. Cook a gourmet meal together. Transform your kitchen into a gourmet restaurant by cooking a fancy meal together. Choose a new recipe that neither of you has tried before, such as homemade sushi, fresh pasta, or a decadent dessert. To make it more enjoyable, set the table with candles and play soft background music. Dividing the cooking tasks allows you both to feel involved, and the reward of enjoying a delicious meal you made as a team is priceless. 2. Home spa night for two. Create a luxurious spa experience right in your living room. Gather scented candles, essential oils, face masks, and a few towels, and set up a relaxation zone. You can give each other massages, soak your feet in warm water with bath salts, or enjoy some calming herbal tea together. A spa night is a perfect way to unwind, show affection, and indulge in self-care as a couple. 3. Backyard camping adventure. If you have a backyard or even a balcony, set up a mini camping site. Pitch a tent, spread cozy blankets, and prepare some marshmallows for s'mores. You can stargaze, tell stories, or listen to nature sounds for a peaceful evening outdoors. If camping isn't your style, consider building a blanket fort indoors for a playful and nostalgic twist. 4. Movie marathon with a theme. Instead of a typical movie night, take it up a notch with a themed marathon. Choose a genre you both love, such as romantic comedies, thrillers, or superhero films, and create a cozy movie zone with popcorn, blankets, and pillows. To make it more fun, dress according to the theme or turn it into a trivia game by pausing between movies to ask each other questions about the plot or characters. 5. DIY paint and sip night. You don't have to be an artist to enjoy a paint and sip evening. Set up a small art station with paints, brushes, and canvases. Pick a theme or challenge each other to create portraits of one another. Add a bottle of wine or your favorite drinks to the mix for a relaxed, creative night. At the end of the session, you'll have personal masterpieces to hang or gift to each other. 6. Couples game night. Challenge your partner to a fun game night at home. Whether you enjoy board games, card games, or video games, the friendly competition can spark joy and excitement. You could also try out new two-player games, or opt for old favorites like Scrabble, chess, or Mario Kart. Spice it up with small prizes for the winner, such as a back massage or breakfast in bed. 7. Plan a future vacation. If you both enjoy traveling, why not plan a dream vacation together? Gather your laptops or notebooks and start researching destinations, activities, and accommodations. Create a vision board with photos and notes about places you'd love to visit. Even if the trip is far off in the future, the excitement of planning it will make you feel closer as a couple. 8. Wine and chocolate tasting. Turn your home into a wine and chocolate tasting venue. Pick out a few bottles of wine and a variety of chocolates, and spend the evening sampling them together. Take notes on your favorites and experiment with different pairings. If wine isn't your thing, you can swap it for coffee, tea, or mocktails. 9. Learn a new skill together. Take on the challenge of learning something new as a team. Whether it's trying an online dance class, practicing yoga, or taking a virtual cooking course, shared experiences can strengthen your bond. Learning together allows you to encourage each other and create inside jokes and memories. 10. Recreate your first date. For a sentimental touch, recreate your first date at home. Think about what you wore, what you ate, and how you felt during that time. You could cook the same meal, listen to songs from that period, or re-watch a movie you both enjoyed back then. It's a meaningful way to reflect on how far you've come as a couple and celebrate your journey together. In conclusion, DIY date nights at home offer countless ways to connect, have fun, and create memories without stepping outside. From cooking adventures to game nights, these ideas provide the perfect blend of romance, creativity, and playfulness. The key is to enjoy each other's company and focus on the moments that matter. So pick an idea, set the mood, and let the magic unfold.